Hey everybody, I am just getting back from the Acura Long Beach Grand Prix, and I wanted to show you a few clips of what the weekend was like. If you're an Acura enthusiast, it's probably one of the highlights of the year, to say the least. And Acura does an amazing job sponsoring it. What they don't do really well right now is actually showing you what it's like to be there as an owner. You probably saw a couple clips last year when I was down there. This is the second year I was there. Definitely not a race fan by any means, but when you're there, Acura does a great job of making all the owners feel like family. And you don't have to be, special or anything to attend as an owner. You just have to be an owner of an Acura. And Acura has their own owner's lounge. They do a great job with all the different displays at the Grand Prix. The lounge is super relaxing. You get to interact with vice presidents and heads of this and managers of that. In one of the clips, I was catching up with Jonathan Rivers, who's the product planner for the TLX and also for the Integra. Great guy, super friendly. His whole team is great. Head of Acura, John Akeda's there. And it feels like coming home. And I want to give you a glimpse on what it's really like to be there, because that's what's really exciting. When you're with a brand and you feel valued and you feel like you matter, this is the event that actually showcases it. So hopefully in the future more people will attend and get to experience that same feeling. They also do a great job at all the giveaways that they give owners, which I definitely was appreciative of. So come along for the ride. Take a peek at some of the video clips, and you may even see a glimpse of the newest addition to the fleet. Starting off Southern California in style. Thursday night, ended up getting together with some friends down there for a late birthday dinner. And then Friday morning, the festivities started early. And, I didn't do a great job outlining the entire event because I was there actually to enjoy it and have fun and interact. But I wanted to give you guys a few clips on what the weekend was like. Acura does a great job with all the interactive displays that were at the Long Beach Grand Prix. Chiaki's Journey was definitely the theme for that weekend. This was the first time actually taking a look at the new Integra in person. Interior's great. They hit a home run with the interior, and I think anyone that hasn't seen it yet is going to be really pleasantly surprised. This is the owner's lounge I was talking about. NSX Type S's, all kinds of food, photo ops, free gifts. The whole experience during the race time was phenomenal.
Racing in Carter Thompson.
What do you expect it to be?
Third straight, another 4
Tomorrow morning, they will go to Grand Prix 27.
As I said, had a great time chatting with Jonathan Rivers. This is Rob Keogh on my left here, head of product planning for Acura, and it was great to catch up with everybody. So hope you enjoy the view clips, and here's to next year.